Hi, Dr. Kapil Govil. Welcome you in this video. In this video, we will discuss how to print this pattern. So in this video, we will discuss algorithm for this pattern. So here we can see that from top to bottom, one number is either increasing or decreasing. So we will see that this number is increasing from top to bottom. So this will be our row number. So it means it will be denoted by I. Because this is I, so we will write here 1 2 5. So here two loops are there, I loop and J loop. Why I and J loop? Because this is row and column wise pattern. So we have mentioned nested loop. So here, because I is 1 to 5, so we have written 1 to 5. Because I is increasing from 1 to 5, so that's why we have to increment it by 1. Now we have to see how many number of columns are there in each row. Here number of columns are 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5 columns are there. It means it is equal to number of row. It means if row number is 1, then column number is 1. If row number is 2, then number of columns are 2. If row number is 3, then number of columns are 3. Similarly, if row number is 5, then number of columns are 5. It means J should be 1 to I. Let's check it. If I is 1, then loop will be 1 to 1, means 1 time. If I is 3, then loop will be 1 to 3, it means 3 time. So it means this will work. So we will write here. Now J is 1 to I. It means what is the maximum value of I? That is 5. It means we have to increase it because it is going from 1 to 5. So we have to increase by 1. Because here we can see that row is changing. In this row only 1 is printed. Then after this in the second row 2 is printed. In the next row 3 is printed. It means whatever change is there, change will be displayed in row. So because it is printed in row, or we can see in row, that's why we will print I. So I hope this concept is now clear to you. Still, if you have any doubt or any query, then you can write in comment section. I will try my level best to solve your query. Here I would like to request you a small thing, that if you are watching this video on YouTube channel, then please subscribe this channel, and if you are watching this video on Facebook page, then please follow this page. So thanks for watching this video.